Hey everybody, in this video we are going to talk about another Vivo phone which is a mid-range phone yet quite power packed, the Vivo Y73. The design of this mobile phone is pretty good. I really like the fact that this phone is quite sleek and light. It is just 7.4 mm thick and weighs only 170 grams. Display size is very amazing. It has a 6.44-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. On the right side, we have the volume and power button, and the fingerprint scanner is embedded in the power button. While on the left side, you will have your SIM tray and microSD card slot. At the top, you have your secondary microphone. At the bottom, we have the Type-C charging port, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, a speaker and a microphone. Let's now move to the back of the phone. The back of this mobile phone has a very cool texture and design. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Vivo Y73 on the rear packs a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 2 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. While for selfies, you are going to get a 16 megapixel shooter. So in terms of camera, this phone has a lot to offer you at such a price. On the software front, the Vivo Y73 runs Funtouch OS 11.1 based on Android 11. While for processor, Vivo has used an octa-core Mediatek Helio G95 SoC, which I would say is a good processor made specially for gaming. It has 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage, so this is the only configuration in which this phone is available in. Connectivity options on the Vivo Y73 include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G with active 4G on both SIMs. Battery life is fine as it has a 4000 mAh battery capacity which is going to give you a day's backup and it supports fast charging. Overall, if I talk about the phone, it is a nice mid-range phone with a great design, fine processor and a good camera setup.